Alright, so I'm here plane spotting at Heathrow using the DJI Action 5 Pro. As you can see, the next aircraft is a China plane coming from Beijing, and we're going to see that right now. I'm wearing the DJI mic, as you can see right here. Let's get this shot. Actually insane. Alright, so as you can see here, the next plane is coming from Amsterdam. Let's get this shot. That plane was coming from Munich, from Germany. Right, next plane is coming from Tokyo, from Japan, so let's get a shot of that. Right, next is an A380 coming from Dubai. Let's get a shot of that, that's going to be interesting. Next is an Iceland Air coming from Iceland. Right, so we've got a United plane coming from New York. Alright, so now we've got a 787 coming from Saudi. Let's get a shot of that. Next we've got a Vueling from Barcelona. Let's get a shot of that. It's an A321. I'm standing here so you can see the side of the plane more. We've now got an Aer Lingus coming from Ireland. Right, we've got a Finnair plane coming from Helsinki. Alright, we've got a 787 coming from Baku. Right, so we've got a 787 coming from Bengaluru. Right, so I turned the clipping control off just to test out my DJI mic, but I left it off and my sound was really loud. I've just found out now, watching back my recordings. So from now on, clipping control is back on now. Hopefully the sound shouldn't be too loud, but I'm gonna fix the previous recordings in post anyway. Next aircraft coming from Geneva. Right, so next plane is coming from Warsaw in Poland. Let's get a shot of that. Next aircraft coming from Kuwait, the 777. Alright, so that's it with my plane spotting flight. It's going to get late now, so I'm just going to go